Alright guys, we're on the way to the beach. This is the New Black.
Yeah, New Black was in the house. And welcome to Kylie and Crystal's video.
It is not Kylie and Crystal's video.
We going to the beach.
We was waiting on Jalen. Jalen has a job at Hollister. You want to tell us about that?
Tell me about my job?
Oh, you haven't started working yet?
No.
Tell us about Chick-fil-A. We know that.
Chick-fil-A. I love Chick-fil-A.
Raise your hand if you like Chick-fil-A.
Free food for everybody.
Free food! Woo!
No, free milkshakes. You know, I learned how to make milkshakes 2 days ago, so I know how to make them.
You just put the milk, doesn't it come out the machine?
No.
Okay, how do you do it?
Okay.
Tell us all about the milkshake.
Okay, this is how you make a milkshake. You get a cup, and it's going to be a red line on the cup. So you have to fill the milkshake base to the red line.
Okay.
And then after that, now if you want flavors like chocolate, cookies and cream, or strawberry, you just shoot one little squirt of chocolate or strawberry, and you just have to measure the cookies and cream because it's just cookies in a cup. Just put it in there.
And that's it?
Wait, I'm not done.
Oh, okay.
And then you have to go to the ice cream machine. Now, you're usually supposed to do 6 swirls of ice cream, but I just do it until I think it's enough.
Okay. So it's possible you could be given too much or too little.
It is
ice cream.
possible. But people always enjoy it. Then you take the cup, you put it under like this machine, like it's like a tube. Yeah, kind of.
Like the silver thing come down?
And it's like a wheel on the bottom.
Okay, I need you to find out the name of that, because when you're on video, you can't just be like a machine.
I know, it's like a machine, and then it's a tube, and then like a little wheel at the bottom, and it's
a mixer. A milkshake mixer.
Something like that.
Okay, we're gonna make up a name. We'll call it a milkshake mixer.
The milkshake mixer, and then you grab. Oh, you don't forget to put the top on the cup, because I forget all the time.
Well, how you gonna tell people don't forget and you forget?
So they won't forget. And then you take the cup and you just go like this, up and down in a vertical motion until you think it's about ready.
Okay.
Then you put the whipped cream and the cherry on top.
And that's it?
That's it. And I know how to make ice cream cones as well.
That's the
Yeah, my cones always come out pretty.
Okay.
I hate when people come and they're like the kids. I ask them, do they want an ice cream cone or a toy? They always say the toy, then come back in exchange for an ice cream cone. Every single time.
I mean, come on. If you had a choice of ice cream or a toy
why would you
in
get the
Florida
toy?
and it's 90 degrees outside, which would you get?
The ice cream.
All day.
So I don't know why they always get the toy and confused. Well, I really want Chick-fil-A, but it's Sunday.
Xavier, what would you like to add to this video today? Go on. Nah, that's up to you, man.
Oh wait, I'm about to put y'all on a hack at Chick-fil-A. Now, when you get a salad, preferably the Cobb salad, the nuggets are cold. They're cold. You have to request to heat the nuggets up.
Come on, Chick-fil-A.
And it's so good.
Nobody want a cold
Nobody
chicken
wants
salad.
cold nugget salad or a cold grilled nugget salad.
Yeah, please don't fire her. She needs this job. She's a college student.
Yeah, I really do need this.
Maybe that should be a promotion, because that you should have a suggestion box.
Right. It's so much things Chick-fil-A could like change and use. And for all you Chick-fil-A Chick-fil-A'ers out there, don't get the strawberry passion tea lemonade. It's disgusting. Don't get it.
Or the frozen lime milkshake.
Whoa, no, whoa. That frosted key lime is the deal. You tripping. You tripping. That frosted key lime is the deal. If you ain't getting the frosted key lime, then what you doing?
Jay, remember when Miss Shakira got the
And she left it in the car.
Xavier.
And Ashley started touching it.
Right.
Xavier, you got center screen, man. You have anything you want to say? I mean, what's up with these kids from Pompano Middle?
Right, they don't want to talk to
They're
us.
home with me.
Caleb, you got anything you want to say? You got to lean over some. You got to lean in.
Lean back. Lean back.
We going to the church, the beach. We have to walk a good mile.
They can't see you, Caleb. Oh, yeah, okay, right there.
We have to walk a good mile for no reason.
Okay, man, get off my camera.
Yeah, that wasn't good.
All right.
Y'all go to church so much. Caleb started.
I know.
Caleb said church.
You go to school too there. All right, Crystal, what do you have to say back there?
I'm excited.
Crystal is the whip.
Crystal gonna make
Whoa.
sure you have fun.
Can you unwoe?
No.
All right, Kylie, what you got to say back there, Kylie? Turn up, Kylie.
I'm so excited.
All right, Kylie is
I got something
excited.
to say.
Okay, we got
We're
Kylie.
gonna turn up with the Beats speaker right here. Beats has sponsored this video.
Oh, you got a Beats now?
Well, Beats did not sponsor this. Beats, if you want to, you know,
yeah, if you
we'll.
want to sponsor this, we'll take all the check.
Yeah.
But
Everything is gonna be alright.
Get yourself
Okay.
your very own Beats speaker. Everyone's outside, inside, and anywhere else.
So like,
We're going to the beach. What do you need water for? This. Your hair look nice. Look at that. Her hair is like.
yeah, it's lit.
my hair's good too. I got pink in it.
I didn't even brush my hair today. I'm going to go ahead and redo all of this. I'm gonna look different.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We're gonna save the rest of this for
The beach.
the beach. Hopefully, we'll find a nice, great parking spot. Peace out, family.